Hello, hi traders. Welcome to my channel. Today I took some trades. Let me show you. So this is Euro JPY pair. So actually, whenever you people go for trading, please search for a trendy market, not any ranging market or any some consolidation market. We can't able to predict at all. Some people will show you, I can do, but no one can able to do in all those markets. Some people who have more knowledge they can able to do, but we can do only what we know only. So here I will show you some of these trades why I took. So market is going in upper wedge channel. So this we will call it as upper wedge channel. So market is moving in this one. Actually it has to come down, but it's moving up only. So when I see this strong candle, I waited because it shows that engulfing in uptrend we can able to go for a call, but we can't able to go for a call blindly because previously we are seeing some bearish momentum. So I waited and I got this as a confirmation, and this candle we will call it as a continuation candle too, right? So this one is a continuation candle. You people will think this level will work here, it will be like head and shoulder pattern and all, but if you see here it moving in upward direction. See, it got reversed here and again it broken, right? Again it got reversed, so again we will see reversal after this breakout only. Again we will see reversal. If it here it may can reverse later, but when we have confirmation candle we can able to go for a call, right? This is the confirmation. If sellers wants to enter means they will enter here only. Why they will do confirmation, give confirmation for us, buyers? So always check market. If it's breaking, going up and again came down, again going up, so it broke this level and got reversed. Again here also it will break and it will get reversed. Again it will break, again it will get reversed. So here it reversed soon. So now downtrend will continue. It changes to downtrend. So this is my first trade. So this is my second trade. So as I show you, this is my confirmation trade. So I took placed a call here. So if sellers wants to enter means at least after this seller should enter after this candle. But again buyers entered with new high, and I see after breakout only sellers are entering. So sellers level is here. So there is a gap and it made a new high and then bullish momentum. So again I placed a higher option. So this one also a profitable trade. And here also, see here also I will show you. See, it reversed and again it broken. So again it reversed. Market should reverse here only, right? Here only market should reverse, but here there is no reversal. So again sellers entry. When market breaks this level confidently, strongly, so you may think it's a downtrend started. So you can wait, like you can see like that. So again market is moving in upward direction. Okay, there is no proper direction, but here we are seeing momentum. So bearish momentum. So here also we can see momentum only, opposite momentum. So because there is no level or something. Okay, so buyers entered. So if we see here it got consolidated bit. So when I see this one, I thought it will get reversed because of the level. Here I draw a level. Because of the level there is a chance to reverse because of this reversal sign in downtrend. but again bias entered. It confirms that market wants to go up and sellers are here. Sellers are here. So I placed here a higher option. So it continued for a higher.